As all of you could have just seen, some of the cameras Kara showed us were shaking from the high winds.
Windy.
And just as Meredith was explaining, those gusty winds today, they are creating uncomfortable conditions for a lot of people out on the roads this morning.
And the winds are expected to last for most of the day. Our team coverage continues this morning with 10 TV's Carla Rogner live in Dublin to check what you'll be experiencing as you head out this morning. Carla, good morning to you.
Yeah, you'll be experiencing a lot of this. It's windy out here, can you tell? We just pulled up to Bridge Park in Dublin, and I gotta say, the door of the car just about flew off as we were trying to get out here. We brought this little wind device out with us to track the wind speeds. It's called an anemometer, and since we pulled up to Dublin, you can see it's been measuring. Right now, it's standing at 5 to 6, but it's been measuring pretty consistently between 15 and 20 miles per hour wind. Now, if you were watching around 5:30, we were in North Bank Park in downtown Columbus, and it's quite a stark difference from downtown to when we just arrived in Dublin. The winds have really picked up as we were heading on 270 to get out here. We could really feel our car really whipping around in the wind. And just take a look up here, Dublin Bridge Park. It's got a lot of Christmas lights still up. You can see the lights just whipping around in the trees up here. So this is definitely something that is going to impact you if you're heading out this morning. You can see the trees, the grass, everything just really whipping around out here. So if you're heading out this morning, take some extra time on the roads there, like Meredith said, and really just be careful. It's definitely windy out here.
Any advice for those of us who like our hair to look good when we go outside? Because I could see your hair's really dancing all over the place. Should we just wear a ball cap today? Or?
Bring a hair tie if you're going outside this morning. Definitely pack a hair tie or two.
And dress in
Carla,
layers.
please
I
do
gotta
not
look
blow
for one
over.
now.
You are itty bitty. We cannot lose you this morning. Stay safe out there.